there tends to be a conflation or a muddling between objective knowledge of AI and subjective knowledge of AI. So what we wanted to get and what we test is how much a person objectively knows about AI and how it works, not how much a person believes that they know about AI. And so basically, because we couldn't find what we needed, we had to roll up our sleeves. So we ran this study, get the results. We're like, oh, okay, the distribution on the pools of participants that we usually use is decent. So the scale is not everybody's failing it and not everybody's super good at it. So we're like, fantastic. And then when we looked at the correlation between literacy and receptivity, we found that the correlation was negative. So we found what we describe in the paper, that the less people know about AI, the more likely they are to use it.